In the last 15 minutes. In the last half hour, Italy Roils global capital markets. What next? In the last hour, Italy spooks global financial markets. Asian shares languish as Italian turmoil hits world markets. Italian politics, oil and trade in the limelight. Danske Bank worsening Italian crisis batters stock markets. And euro. In the last 2 hours, European stocks seen mixed as Italian crisis batters financial markets. Asian shares in euro fall sharply as Italy fears spread to global markets. In the last 4 hours, fears over Italy turmoil spread through global markets. Taiwan shares plunge after heavy losses in U.S. markets. Asian markets, euro plunge with U.S. and Europeans on Italy turmoil. Italian political crisis causes jitters in financial markets. In the last 6 hours, overnight markets, Wall Street declines on Italy political turmoil. Global markets, stocks tumble as Italian crisis knocks global sentiment. Asia AM Digest, markets crisis batters financial markets. Italy, political turbulence spooks global financial markets. Italian crisis rocks markets with the euro sliding. Oettinger, markets will show the way to shun populists in Italy. Yesterday, Italian turmoil hits global markets. Stocks plunge. Asian stocks to drop on Italy woes. Trade tensions, markets wrap. Italian turmoil hits global markets, sending U.S. stocks plunging. Italy's woes spread to U.S. markets and stocks plunging. Mamma mia. Italy's woes tank global markets. Italy gridlock shakes up global markets. Global market snapshot. Large moves in markets due to Italy risk. ANZ money markets. Italy's political crisis slashes traders. U.S. rate hike. Few global markets fall as Italy's political crisis threatens Eurozone. Italy's government debacle leaves its toll on markets. Global markets worsening. Italian crisis batters stock markets. Here's why markets are so scared of the latest Italian political drama. Italy's political crisis roils the markets. Italy's political anxiety rattles U.S. markets. European politics are causing tremors in financial markets. Choosing markets over voters will embolden Italy's populists. 5 things investors must watch as Italy turmoil shakes global markets. Banking stocks take a beating as Italian political turmoil spooks markets. Markets right now, Italy's political gridlock upsets markets. European markets drops on concerns over Italy and Spain. Global markets struggle amid Italian euro fears. Oettinger, markets will give Italian signal not to vote for populists. Global markets worsening. Italian crisis batters stock markets. Euro worsening. Italian crisis batters stock markets. Euro at midday, worsening. Italian crisis batters global stock markets. Italian politics, slowing business activity rattle EU markets. Another euro crisis chaos hits Italy's financial markets. Italy crisis rocks markets. Here's why investors are worried. Dow Jones today slumps as Italian political instability rocks markets. Stocks tumble as political crisis in Italy rocks global markets. Money markets remove bets on ECB rate hike over next 12 months. Eurozone under pressure as Italy's political turmoil spooks markets. It feels like 2012 again. Tumble as political uncertainty persists. Italian concerns stock global stock markets and hurt euro. Italian political drama sends financial markets into tailspin. Italy's political turmoil rocks global stock markets. Riskiest Irish bank bonds fall as Italian woes rattles markets. Italy's woes ripple across markets. Stock markets across Europe rattled by Italy crisis. 5 metrics to watch as Italy turmoil sweeps global markets. FTSE slumps as Italy crisis hits European markets. India shares decline amid sell-off in Asian, European markets. Global markets worsening. Italian crisis batters European markets worsening. Italian crisis batters European markets. Plunging. Italian markets drag Europe down with them. Italy financial markets plunge on political turmoil. American FX outlook, markets roiled by Italian uncertainty. Gold edges up as Italian turmoil rocks the markets. U.S. futures fall as Italy's political turmoil hits markets. Pre-market, deepening. Italian crisis batters European markets. Italy's political crisis jolts markets, rattles all of Europe. Italy crisis hits European markets. Global markets plunge amid Italian political crisis. Deepening. Italian crisis batters European markets. See markets. Bank stocks, currencies ease on Italy. Dollar rally. Stocks slump across Europe as Italian Uncertainty rattles markets chuckle weaker as dollar gains on world markets. Here's why markets are worried about Italian politics. Again, global markets deepening. Italian crisis batters European markets. Eurozone money markets / 2019 ECB rate hike bets. Italy's political turmoil is sending shock waves through global markets. Lira extends advance, bucking a decline across emerging markets.